What's up everybody, Jack of Many Trades here, back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the brand new Apple Watch Ultra. So this is Apple's newest offering in the Apple Watch lineup. This one starts at $799, so basically $800. It comes in only one case option, which is a titanium case. You have the option to choose between either a alpine loop, which is the one that I got, or you can choose a trail loop or an ocean band. But one thing to note is that all of your Apple Watch bands for your 44mm, 45mm Apple Watches, they're all going to work with this one. So if you already have a watch band and you really like it, you can still use that band with this watch. Now, this Apple Watch also comes with a brand new S8 chip. It has a peak brightness of 2000 nits. This also has a much improved 2-band GPS. Additionally, this watch comes with a WR100 rating for water resistance, so that means that it can withstand depths of 100 meters. Although with the dive tracking, it will only really be able to track you down to 40 meters of depth, but that's still much better than the previous Apple Watch. This watch also has the U1 chip, Bluetooth 5.3, which is the newest version available, and it also comes with GPS, cellular, and Wi-Fi. There's no distinction between the Wi-Fi and cellular models. If you buy this, you automatically get the option to use cellular with it. And this has, of course, the always-on display, which we've had for the past couple of generations of Apple Watch. This also has the sapphire crystal cover glass, which is going to keep your Apple Watch protected. It's much more durable than the previous Ion X glass in regular Apple Watches. So without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, so turning the box over, we see the typical Apple Watch packaging here, which has these little flaps that you pull. So we'll undo that one, and the other side. And here we see that this Apple Watch actually comes with a booklet inside which shows you all of the features and details of the new Apple Watch. So I'll give you a little preview of what that looks like. So you can see here's the 3 bands that are currently available: the Alpine Loop, Ocean Band, and Trail Loop. This also shows you how you connect and disconnect watch bands, how you turn it on, basic details. It also gives us nice profile views of the new watch, showing off all of the features, including that brand new action button and that 85 decibel siren. And the brand new watch face, the Wayfinder watch face. Alright, so this is definitely a much more deluxe unboxing experience than previous Apple Watches, which were generally fairly lackluster in terms of their unboxings. Alright, and so now as we turn this back around and remove the lid, you can see here on the left side we have the brand new Apple Watch Ultra in its little packaging. So turning it around here. And then on the right side we have the charging puck Here is the Apple Watch Ultra in that 49mm case. And just bringing in off camera, this is my old Series 6 Apple Watch in the 44mm case. You can see there's a fair bit of difference between the two. This Apple Watch, though, gets much better battery life at a rated 36 hours of continuous use, although Apple is going to be pushing out an update to help you to get even more, up to a quoted 60 hours. Alright, so here I'm showing you the brand new Apple Watch Ultra charger, which is much nicer than previous Apple Watch chargers. This is braided, as you can see, and has aluminum backing, and it's USB-C. So that's a really, really nice improvement, something that I definitely would like to see come to all Apple Watches, but it's nice that we get it here. Alright, and so here we're just going to take a look at the brand new Alpine Loop. So here we are taking it out of the box. And as you can see, here it is with that nice brand new orange color. Taking it out. So here you can see that nice new orange color with the titanium buckle. Alright, so here we have the brand new Apple Watch Ultra sitting with the orange Alpine Loop. So this is what it looks like. And I just wanted to show you guys that all of your Apple Watch bands previously that are in the larger size, so your 44mm bands, 45mm bands, they're all going to work with this brand new Apple Watch. Even though this is a 49mm case, they will still work. Alright, so as you can see here, we have the brand new Apple Watch Ultra with a solo loop from the Series 6 Apple Watch. This was made originally for the 44mm size, but as you can see, it fits pretty well on the 49mm case. There's not even really too much of a gap where the lugs of the band meet the case. It's all pretty tight still. So you can definitely wear all of your old Apple Watch bands with this new one. Alright, so that has been the unboxing of the brand new Apple Watch Ultra with the orange Alpine Loop here. And be sure to stay tuned to this channel, where I'm going to do a full review on this in the next couple of days to give you my thoughts and impressions on it, tell you if it's actually worth the price of $800, and to give you any updates that I may have along the way. So until then, stay tuned here to Jack of Many Trades, and be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe.